the shortest in the class.
Do you ever feel like because you're short, you can't do certain things?
Well, reach for high things that you want to reach. The tall person will think that smaller people are just tiny and useless.
Do you feel there's a stigma that it's better to be taller than shorter?
Yes, of course. You don't want to be the one who's left out.
Do you feel sad that you're shorter than your brother?
I feel angry. I feel like I should be taller than him.
Do your friends tease you or bully you? They say you're short?
Some.
So when did you first discover that Hafiz might be shorter than average?
That was way back in primary 4. He was sent to HPB. Then he was referred to NH. After all the x-rays being done, his bone age is actually younger than his current age.
At least 2 years younger.
What are the side effects from such treatments?
Transient side effects include like water retention, like causing headache and leg swelling. It can also increase the risk of scoliosis and diabetes.
He's the one who said that, hey, I want to. I say, okay.
Is it costing a lot of money?
More than 1,000 for
More
a
than
month.
$1,000 a month?
A month.
So I concentrated a lot on building his self-esteem, building his confidence, and not allowing him to feel that his self-worth is based solely on his height.
So hormones is like chemicals, right? Yeah. The body produces. My specialty.
And how many of these kids actually have a genuine medical issue?
From my experience, it's actually very rare. Any child who is among the 3rd or the 97th percentile is considered normal. Generally, as an estimate, I tell parents that if he's growing at least 4 to 6 centimeters a year, then the parents have less to worry because this is usually not a problem.